Hi! Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a perfect rava khichdi or rava upma. This will taste exactly like the one we get in restaurants. Absolutely super soft and yum. There are a few things which you have to keep in mind while preparing this recipe, which I'll be showing you here. So come, let's quickly jump into the recipe. In this kadai I have 2 cups of unroasted rava or suji. Keep the heat in medium and dry roast it for about 4 to 5 minutes and make sure to keep mixing. Even if you're using roasted suji, you have to follow this step. Make sure the heat is not too high and also do not roast it too much. After a few minutes, you'll get a nice aroma of this roasted rava. At that time, you need to turn off the heat. Now this is done. When the heat is still on, add a teaspoon of butter and mix it until it is well combined with the rava. You can also use ghee or oil instead of butter. This will give a very nice aroma to the rava itself. Transfer the rava into a separate plate and in the same pan add a tablespoon of oil and crackle mustard seeds. When they crackle, add split urad dal. If you want, you can also add half teaspoon of chana dal at this stage. Add a pinch of hing or asafoetida. The dal gets golden brown in color, add few curry leaves. Here I am adding the frozen one, but if you have fresh, you can add 1 sprig of it. And into this add 1 medium sized finely chopped onion, 2 green chilies finely chopped and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Cook until the onion becomes translucent and the raw flavor of ginger is completely gone. This will take a couple of minutes. Add salt in order to fasten the process. Once the onion is cooked, add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato and cook until it's mushy. When the tomatoes are still cooking, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and continue cooking. Now the tomatoes are nicely cooked and has become mushy. Into this I have added 1 cup of chopped vegetables and half cup of water. Mix this and we'll let this cook. Today I have added carrot, French beans and green peas. You can also add potato, capsicum and any vegetables of your choice. But make sure to have just 1 cup of vegetables for 2 cups of rava. Cover the lid and cook until the water evaporates completely. Here I have 6 cups of water in a saucepan and I'm going to let this boil. So for 2 cups of rava, I've taken 6 cups of water. So you have to always maintain 1:3 ratio. Meanwhile, the vegetables are nicely cooked and the water has completely evaporated. When water in the saucepan starts bubbling, add a teaspoon of curd and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Give it a good mix until the curd is nicely dissolved in the water. Now into the cooked vegetables, add roasted rava and give it a good mix. Now gradually add water and on the other hand keep mixing to make sure there are no lumps formed. As you mix, this will start to splutter. At this point you have to cover the lid and let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes in a medium heat. Okay, let's open the lid after 5 minutes. Now mix it gently. This is really nice and soft. The secret ingredient lemon and curd has done a really good job to maintain the soft texture of this khichdi. Now let's add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Finally, to add on the taste, add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Do not mix it vigorously, just fold in until combined. Now it's all done and ready to be served. And now you will see how soft it is. Exactly like the one you get in restaurants. I hope you liked my recipe. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. So until next video, bye.